Pop-ups or external pop-ups can be published to any external CMS, and that goes from WordPress to many other available options on the market. What you then basically do is you take a pop-up and you send it to that website, and it displays as if it is part of that website. From the dashboard where you can create your pop-ups, I'll go to the top where the filter is and select pop-ups, and I've only got one external pop-up I've created here. Let's have a quick look at how this looks. I'll go to Edit Pop-up. And you can see I have a simple Black Friday pop-up here. And if I go to the settings under the conditions, I've set it to on-page exit intent, which means that this pop-up will only appear when people move their cursor out of the browser section with an intent to move to another page or even close the browser. I'll click here again on Save. Click outside, and then in the bottom left-hand corner, let's go back to the dashboard. Filter again, pop-ups. How I'm going to publish this one is to click on the Get Embed Code. And this will open a splash screen with a lot of code, and all you need to do is click here on Copy Code. No highlight needed or anything. That's going to be done for you. This code is copied, and you're going to paste it in the footer section of whichever website you are working with. I'll use WordPress here in this example because it's an easy one. Just note that within WordPress, you're either going to use a plugin or the theme will come with the options to put it in a header or footer. But like I've mentioned, you're going to put it in the footer. And from here, depending on the theme, you're going to find an area like this one that says Custom Code Snippets. And then you have your normal header, after body, and footer scripts. We'll paste it here, Control-Command-V, and then publish. If I close out now, the pop-up has now been embedded, and because it is set to appear when I have the intent to exit the page, I can move my cursor anywhere on this page, and the moment I move it out of the browser, the pop-up will appear. Note that because I have pasted it within the overall theme, it's going to appear each and every page. If I go to Gallery and I go to the top, it's going to appear again. If you want it to appear only on specific pages, you can do so again depending on the theme or the plugin that you are using. I'll go into the customizer, I'll go to the code snippets, I'll copy this and I'll remove it, say publish, and then again here in WordPress, and also depend on the CMS you are using, I will select this page, which is Gallery, and then I'll go to Edit Page. Within the page editor, I'll go to the theme settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to Custom Code Snippets, and I'll put it in the footer. Update it, and we'll go preview it. And now when I click on Gallery, and I want to exit, you will see the pop-up appears. But if I go to my About page, and I move it to the browser, nothing happens. Great way to bring pop-ups to any kind of CMS that you are working with the external pop-up builder.